The best fighter against annoying insects lies in your fruit bowl. Spray this on your windowsills. During summer evenings, there's nothing better than an open window letting fresh air into a hot apartment. However, insects, especially mosquitoes, can significantly disrupt this relaxation. The biggest problem with chemical repellents and devices is that many have been proven to be harmful to our health, and some even have carcinogenic effects. Fortunately, natural insect repellents exist, which have no harmful effects and don't emit unpleasant odors in our homes. One of the popular natural repellents is lemon. This fruit emits a characteristic citrus scent that insects, bugs, and ants dislike. How to make homemade mosquito repellent? Take several lemons, squeeze out the juice, and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it around windowsills, doorways, and other places where you expect insect invasion. Wait for it to dry completely. If you're worried about your windowsill, threshold, or other furniture, pour some lemon juice into small bowls and place them around the house. The scent of lemon juice will surely keep them from entering through the open window.